Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll take you step by step on downloading the CoinMarketCap app in this tutorial. Open the Play Store first. In the search bar at the top, type in CoinMarketCap app. Then tap on Search. This is the application that we will be downloading. Tap on the install icon. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now let it download. After the installation is completed, tap on Open. You can now either log in with the email and password that you signed up with, or create a new account by following the instructions. And this is the process for logging into your CoinMarketCap app account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.